Hey, what's up, y'all? Steve here with my Texas Tahoe. So I got this front passenger side tire that's losing about 10 pounds every 2-3 days. Unfortunately, not in a situation where I can run out and buy 4 new tires right now. So got this thing right here. It's supposed to be an inflator, but it also comes with like some kind of a fix-a-flat sealer built into it. So I'm gonna give it a try. There's about 15, maybe less pounds in here now. So I'm gonna try using this thing right now and then just see. All right, so it comes in like this sealed up bag here. So I'm gonna unzip this and see what all's in here. And a big old plastic box, let's get that out. So I guess it's got this sealant already. You could buy more of the sealant too. I saw where they sold more. I mean, if it works, it'd be good. Supposedly you could do this from completely flat. But what the guy was telling me in the store was there's like an air only, and then you flip it over and it does air and sealant. So let me read the instructions real quick before I get this going. All right, so what it says to do is you're going to keep the unit flat, and then you disconnect. Okay, I see. The hose is all kind of wound back in here. That's kind of cool, I guess. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hook the hose up first. Okay, hose is all hooked up. It's like, yeah, I got about like 10, 12 pounds. Okay, now you want to do your electricity, and it says to leave the car off, which I thought was kind of odd, but okay, maybe they know something I don't, so let's do that. And then the instructions, it says to select air and sealant with the dial thing. So I'm going to go select air and sealant. Okay, so it's in the air and sealant position right now. Turn on the power. It said that this would go real high first while it empties the bottle. And then once the bottle's emptied, it said it should drop back down. Now, since it didn't seem to be moving, what I'm going to do is turn it off, put it back to air only. All right, and then see if I can. Okay, got it up to 35, which is where I wanted to be. Now, it doesn't say this in the instructions unless I didn't read far enough, but I remember with the old Fix-A-Flat, which came out when I was a kid, after you used it, you were supposed to drive the car immediately to help spread the sealant. So I'm just going to go get back in the car and go for a quick ride. And so something's a little concerning is that it's saying 23 right now, but I thought I had 35 in there when I just shut off the compressor. So let me drive around a little bit, see if that makes any difference. In fact, actually, I'll drive over to Costco because they got the high pressure air pump over there. And then, all right, so about 4 miles later, I just rolled up to Costco where the air pump is. The pressure didn't change in that front right passenger. All right, so here's Costco's pump. I'm gonna set this to 36. Don't ask me why 36, that's just the number I use. All right, let's see if this will go here. Well, it's moving air. Costco pump says it was a 25. All right, so I guess it was accurate. What I don't understand though is why, when I disconnected that compressor with the slime in it, that it said 35. Okay, we're all aired up. Let's see what that other compressor says. See if it's really that inaccurate, or if it really just lost that much pressure in such a short period of time. All right. So got it in air only. Okay. Yeah. All right. Now it says almost 35. So that's kind of what I expected. All right. I'm not sure what happened there. That was weird. All right. There it says 35. That's what we want. So let's see what happens. Hey, what's up, you guys? So it's been 8 days now. Let's see how we're doing. And it was the passenger side front tire right there where it says 34. It's only 1 pound less than when I filled it up 8 days ago. So I'm going to go ahead and take that as a success. All right, so what's the verdict on the slime inflator? It worked. A little pricey. It's about 70 something if you buy it online. I paid about 83 in the store. Also pay attention, there's a car version and a truck version. I bought the truck version. The car version actually is about $30, $40 cheaper. But after I read a bunch of reviews, people seem to indicate that if you already have a compressor or access to a compressor, just buying that slime bottle inflator would be enough on its own. All right, well, hope that helped you out, and thanks for watching.